Sometimes our sleep can be compromised if the pitta element is imbalanced, or the water element also. So now we will learn something called the Varuna Mudra, which is touching the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb. The other three fingers are together outstretched. You can place the palms on the knees or the thighs, keeping the spine erect, and you can gently close your eyes and take deep breaths. Any problem with hydration or imbalance in the water element or aggravation of pitta can be balanced with the Varuna Mudra. You can do this while watching TV or listening to music or even in a meeting. Just place the fingers this way and take nice and long deep breaths. Just 5 minutes practice of this during the day can make a huge difference to how we sleep and how we feel in the body and the mind. That's Varuna Mudra.
For those of you who would rather listen to a book than read it, Sleep Your Way to Success is available in its audiobook avatar, exquisitely narrated by Dinesh. It's available exclusively from our website www.booksbybnd.com. And if you really want to take that game of well-being up a few notches, you want to harness the awesome power of sleep to make you feel younger, to make you smarter, to make your immune system stronger so you don't fall sick so often, to improve your mood, well then, check out our Power of Sleep workshop. Again, on our website www.booksbybnd.com. I will see you on the inside. Good night, sweet dreams, and may you have resounding success.